pasensya na ito ha. Nagkaroon na ng technical.
Sa dalawang top.
Repeat. Oo.
Pag isang top, post. Babalik pa natin sa, original dura.
Okay.
Time.
Wait lang pa ha. Wait lang.
Yung time ba na? Okay na. Yes, okay na. Pero shot clock natin, 12 lang ha.
Okay na. Hindi, ginawa ko 12 lang.
14 na, 14.
12 lang, di ba?
Hindi, ginawan lang 14.
14 na? Okay, sige. Okay na po.
Okay na, committee.
Well, paupo ka doon. Sige.
Okay na po. Pasensya na, players ha. Pasensya na rin. Okay. Pasensya na ha. Okay. Okay, back to the ball game. Okay. Ito po. Ayan.
Ha?
Number 12. Up.
Pwede.
Same ball.
Doon.
Black ball.
Championship game.
Okay, number 12 na. Pinasa number 15. Ibira, pasok. 2 points. 2 points for number 15. Number 29. Office. To the 3 points, wala. Rebound ni number 20, Toller. Toller, leading the ball. Pinasa at Toller, number 15 again. The 3 points, wala. The rebound ni Dairis, number 19. 19, dinalaksak. Wala. The rebound ni number 12, pinasa at Toller. The 3 points ni Toller. Wala, na-rebound ni Victoria. Number 12. Eto na, pinasa ulit ni Toller, number 29. Ibira. Wala pa rin. Na-rebound ni number 15. Loren. Ibira. Bitin. Ito po. Mahabol na pula. Number 7. Number 7. Pinasa kay Otis. Spring ko na. Pinag sa press. Pasok. Number 29. Number 15 ulit. Pinag kay Toller. Pinalaksak si Toller. Nilayap. Binordi. Wala. Na-rebound ni number 12. Nabilis na po. Sabi na rin. Okay, for...
Sino ako dyan? Tapos. Kami dyan. All two.
Nag-12, hindi na sa akin because nag-alanganin yung Toller. 1-1. And 2. Same ball na po. Number 15, pinira sa 3 points. Wala. Na-rebound ng number 7, Mark. Pasa kay Otis, number 29 sa 3. Wala pa rin. Nakuha niya number 7, Marky. Bring up. 1 point. 1 point for Marky, 7. Number 16, Orange, with the ball. Pinasa kay number 12. Victoria. Toller. Sinat ng number 12. Victoria. With the points. Very good. Yes. Maganda po ang laban. Number 15. Number 29 sa trip. Saknes si Victoria. Okay. Hira number 7.
After all the hard work, after all the beginning, all the dedication, after you were in there last week, referee, finally win out. Boy. Hindi mo sabay. Mahirap tong exposure nila.
Galaw for 3. Yes, sir. For 3. Substitution. Then, pasok. Kunin mo si Pastor Juanito. Sabret. Mendoza out. Ben in. Time remaining on the clock. 11 minutes and 45 seconds left. And this is our week 2, second game. Galaw loses the ball. Madden, first attempt, miss. Galaw claiming the rebound. Galaw Drive to the basket. Second attempt. Denied by Floren. What a rejection by Floren. And a big shout out to all the SGGI family. Dairit for 3! Yes, sir! Parang may pagtatangka si Dairit, ha? Dairit, nagpaparamdam na siya. Grabe. Baby Dorendes in the house. Floren slicing the defense. What a defense by red shirt. Madden, step back 3. Floren save the ball. Pass to Denden. Denden out of bounds. And the ball will go back to the red shirt with the 10 minutes and 24 seconds left in favor of red. 5-point lead by red shirt. Galaw. Galaw using the clock. Dairit wide open for 3. Miss. Rebound by Galaw again. Galaw pass to Montesa. Montesa in and out. Floren for the rebound. Floren didiscarte dito sa game. Floren pass to Toller. Toller. Bam! For 3! Black team with the answer. Cutting down the lead by 3 in favor of Team Red. Floren. Floren finding Toller. Toller using the clock. Toller launches for 3. Miss. Out of bounds. Bola ng Red. 9 minutes and 12 seconds. Dairit receives the ball. Galaw. 1-on-1 by Floren. Susubukin ang depensa ni Floren this time. Galaw with a crossover. Galaw. Madden. Madden looking the good situation. Madden atake. But we have a foul from behind. Who is fouled? Ang tatawagan doon, number 7, Montesa. That is your second personal foul. First team foul.
Mag-shot clock lang
A second team foul, rather.
Shot clock? Yung baba, yung post.
Dairit pass to Galaw. Galaw with the reverse. Basket is good for Galaw.
Nagpo-post ang kano?
Floren for the answer. 2 points by Floren.
Sino sa po?
Score natin.
Galaw, tumira ng 3. Wala pa rin. Floren finding Madden. Find. We have a foul. And 2 free throws will be awarded. We have a substitution.
6-8.
Peloriana in. Toller out. Ayong pumasok na si Tito Ed. Tito Ed is not yet done in the basketball. One of the living legend. Floren with a putback. Cutting down the lead by 1, 8-7. Tito Ed with the jumper. Yes, sir! Nagparamdam na ating veterans. Madden almost loses the ball. Pass to Floren. Floren! Wala. Madden still by Dairit. Uncle Jimbo. Last touch by Uncle Jimbo.
Jimoy, 9 at 10 out of 10.
Hindi. 1 point lang yun kay Tito Ed. Tama lang, tama lang.
Tito Ed claiming the rebound. Pass to Nico. Tito Ed again. 7 minutes and 28 seconds. Short. Bola ng Black this time. This game is brought to you by SGGI Season 2. Madden, malalim pa rin. Galaw, wala pa rin. Labas po tayo. Tyree, one of my idol. Tyree, pass to Tito Ed. Tito Ed is on fire. Grabe.
Palabasin niyo na to!
Madden with the answer. Cutting down the lead by 3. Tito Ed again. Tito Ed parang hindi napapagod. Florent with a floater is good for Florent. Time remaining on the clock, 6 minutes and 30 seconds left. Galaw. No basket for Galaw this time. Uncle Jibo with a reverse with Madden. Isa na lang ang inahabol ng block. Tito Ed again with a long two. Nakuha ni Florent. Florent miss. Direct for the rebound.
Time out, Red.
Timeout. We have a timeout. The dead ball. Galaw. Basket is good.
Pwede mag-timeout?
Possession.
Timeout. Red.
Ha? Anong sub? Yung foul play na to. Ha? Correct. Yung foul play.
Two fouls, ha? Asan yung alarm nito? Ano? Pinapila ka?
Oo. Abe! Ano mo ka lang? Answer. Ang announcer natin sa loob!
Hindi na nagsasalita ka lang.
Grabe. Yung announcer na wala. Ito na po yung announcer. Number 5, Asuncion. Ito na, ginanahan na. Ginanahan na wala. Ang ganda ng announcer na wala. Number 5, Asuncion. Pinasa kay Madden number 4. Pinasa kay Jimbo! Saklak. No point. Ayan, makapasa yung badminton. Sige, tuloy natin. Okay, number 7. Mark Jimbo naman. Ito na po, plano. Pinira sa Chris, Kabitin, binigay ko na lang, number 29. Number 29. Binigay ko sa Chris, number 6 to 8. Ito, number 5, Asuncion. Pinira sa Chris. Wala. Rebound yung number 29, Galaw, hindi na ball. Pinasa kay Tutel, number 61. Pinira shot, pasok! Pasok po. Captured yung bro. Pasok yun. Sa camera. Okay. Pinira natin yan. Pinira Asuncion. Wala. Rebound yung right. Mark number 7. Pinigay kay Galaw. Galaw, hindi squad ko na. Easy training na sila. Number 61 ulit. Okay. At number 61. Isa pa, jump shot. Naribang mo yung ball. Asuncion. Asuncion na natin. Ito na. Minubelo yung salaksak. Grabe ko, bigli ka na laban sa mga championship. Hindi. Hindi. Kaya ka na po. Binigay ko. Panagliano. Shoot! Panagliano. Number 38. Now the score is
13-11.
13-11 in favor of Red.
5 seconds.
5 seconds. All, pinigay sa 3. Pasok! Number 7. Binigay na lang yung okay. Number 6 what to the end. Sub. Tama. Pasok si Lauren number 15. Labang siya ng mga. Okay. Ito na. Bumalik na po si Lauren. On the court. Attention. Number 5. 3-4. 2 points. Attention. Ito na po. Dito Ed. Tinira. Wala. Narito ni Lauren. Lauren labas ulit. Number 15. Yung sa press. Wala pa rin. Number 15. Unikit ko yung ano. Wala. Ito na. Morbelo po sa session. Sa press. Wala pa rin. Nakakuha ng out. Tinira ng gala. Hindi na ball. Tinira sa press. Si Marty. Wala. Number 6.
4 minutes!
Last 2 minutes. Number 5, attention, tuloy. Direnay, pinasa ka 15. Pasok. Okay. Lauren, number 15. Number 15. Lauren, so, 2 points. Lauren, 15.
Mamigay ba yan o ano?
Kuya!
May order.
Kuya Ting! Kuya Ting! Kape! Ito ba?
Magkano yan? Magkano?
5.
5?
5 isang kape.
5 isang kape. Plus ano na, chichirya.
Okay, the score is in favor block. Sub, red. Okay, sub. Okay. In favor block. Okay, David. Hindi the ball. Galaw. Number 11. Galaw. Relax. Ini up. Pasok. Nice day up ni Galaw. Oy. 117. 43 seconds.
Ate, hindi sumusunod, naglaro.
Galaw.
Hey!
Okay. Ano po? 30 seconds. Okay, ilang attention. Attention, all score. Ano po? Time. Ito na po.
5 seconds!
5 seconds. Okay. Wala po. All point number 7.
Third personal foul.
Third personal foul to number 7. Mga gusto po nyo namin dyan, bumili po kayo. Mali. Nakabir lang. Wala. Number 15. Number 15, pinasa ka po yung lalo. Lalim. Sayang, ang ganda. Lalim ka lang. Okay. Okay. Nice game. Congratulations, Rock.
Gusto mo tuloy ko rin sa final?
Hinahanap ka ang answer.
Sakto eh.
Na-release eh. Gusto ko nga sana overtime eh.
Nilabas ko kasi dapat inilabas eh.
Pagod si Ferdy. Kala mo mong bunggoy na. Pagod siya.
Ano siya sa panel eh. Hindi na mauusad eh. Sayang yung points.
All.
Test na talaga. Hindi pa nilabas.
Daming shooting dito eh. Dami.